Welcome. Today we will see the chapter Optimum Design. These are the contents of this chapter. Introduction to Optimum Design for Mechanical Elements, Adequate and Optimum Design, and Johnson's method of Optimum Design, in which we will see simple problems on shafts subjected to torsional and bending moments. Now we will see introduction. For any design problem, a large number of solutions are available which fulfill the performance, cost, safety, and robust requirements. In the present days of competition, it is very important to select the best of the available design solutions. The optimization techniques provide the tools for selecting the best design solution from the feasible solutions. An optimum design is the best attainable solution to the design problem within the given constraints. The optimum design targets a single parameter for optimizing, that is maximizing or minimizing, while fulfilling the other requirements. The optimizing parameter may be one which is to be maximized like cost, weight, size, stress, deflection, etc., or one which is to be maximized like power transmitting capacity, load carrying capacity, energy storing capacity, etc. Now we will see classification of design parameters. In the design of any mechanical element, a number of design parameters are used. These design parameters, which are related to each other by a number of design equations, can be broadly classified into three basic groups. First, functional requirement parameters including undesirable effect. Second, material parameters, and third, geometrical parameters. Functional requirement parameters including undesirable effects. The functional requirements are the conditions which must be satisfied by a mechanical element if the machine or structure wherein it is used is to function satisfactorily. For example, for a gear pair, the functional requirements are power transmitting capacity and gear ratio. Similarly, for a helical compression spring, the functional requirements might be a maximum force exerted by the spring and the spring stiffness. All mechanical elements must satisfy certain functional requirements of the machine or structure. The functional requirements are positive and generally specified. The characteristics of the functional requirement parameters are as follows. First, in the design equation, the functional requirement parameters are independent of both the material parameters and the geometrical parameters. The functional requirement parameter is not always limited to a single specific value to obtain the satisfactory design. Sometimes there might be a feasible range over which the functional requirement parameter can have a satisfactory value. The individual functional requirement parameters are either independent or dependent on each other. The functional requirement parameters are primarily influenced by the factors which are external to an element being designed. The functional requirement parameter group also includes another group of parameters known as undesirable effect parameters. All mechanical elements have certain undesirable effects like cost, weight, stresses, deflection, vibration, etc. Now we will see material parameters. The material parameters are those which describe the material with values. The examples of the material parameters are density, modulus of elasticity, modulus of rigidity, Poisson's ratio, yield strength, ultimate tensile strength, and cost per unit weight, etc. The characteristics of the material parameters are as follows. First, in the design equations, the material parameters are independent of both the functional requirement parameters and geometrical parameters. In a design procedure, the values of material parameters can be changed or selected only in discrete steps and not continuously. The material parameters generally not independent of each other. The values of the material parameters are generally unique for any specific material. In the design procedure, the modulus of elasticity E cannot be changed without changing the Poisson's ratio. Similarly, the ultimate tensile strength SUT cannot be changed without changing the cost per unit weight. Now we will see third parameter, that is geometrical parameter. The geometrical parameters are those parameters which define the geometry of the mechanical element. For example, module, number of teeth, face width, pressure angle, addendum and addendum are the geometrical parameters of per gear. It is always desirable to select an independent geometrical parameters which uniquely define the geometry of the mechanical element. Selecting the independent geometrical parameters will allow the independent variation of each parameter in the design procedure. The characteristics of the geometrical parameters are as follows. In the design equations, the geometrical parameters are dependent on the functional requirement parameters and the material parameters. This is contrary to the fact that the functional requirement parameters and material parameters are independent of the geometrical parameters. In a design procedure, the values of geometrical parameters can be varied more continuously than the material parameters. However, where the standard sizes are involved, the geometrical parameters can be varied only in discrete steps. The geometrical parameters are independent of each other. The above discussion can be summarized by a typical design equation given below, which expresses the parameter. A. Either a functional requirement or an undesirable effect is equal to a function of functional requirement parameters, including undesirable effects, material parameters, and geometric parameters. Functional requirement parameters can be individual parameters or either independent or dependent on each other, independent of the remaining two groups. Material parameters and individual parameters are generally dependent on each other, independent of the remaining two groups. In geometric parameters, individual parameters can be varied independent of each other, dependent on the remaining two groups. Again, this is the equation of the helical compression axial force. F is equal to 1 by 8 delta G into d raised to 4 divided by d cube m, where F axial force is the function requirement, delta that is compression function requirement parameter, G that is modulus of rigidity metal parameter, and d small d capital D and m are the geometrical parameters. Okay, we will stop.